Hi, Wellham fan. Welcome back to our channel. I'm Debbie.
I'm Darren.
And we have Molly May.
Yay!
And it's building block time again. So basically, I want to create the fast foodie items that I got building block wise, so we can do a photo shoot with the hams. Then we have hamburgers. Yes. Right, so not a lot more than that to say, guys, so let's get building. Right, guys, so 2 hours
29 minutes.
29 minutes later, we've got a finished project. They're the leftovers. Right, are you ready for this? So super cute. Look at the hats. I think that is probably, is definitely one of the most adorable things. So first of all, you've got your drink.
Yeah.
With ice.
With ice.
And you've got your French fries.
Yeah.
Super cute. Then you've got your burger.
Yeah.
Well, it's actually a cheeseburger with lettuce and tomato by the looks.
Yeah.
Super cute. And then, probably my favourite thing is the chicken nuggets. So right at the front here, we've got a nice mayo dip.
Yeah.
And then we have got, whoops, the most adorable chicken nuggets. As you just take your nugget, give it a dip, hey presto. But they're way too cute to eat. And the little container is absolutely gorgeous. And of course your tray with the
sheet of paper on it.
Yeah. I mean, seriously, how cute is that? As always, my lovelies, be different. A very merry and hoo-hoo. And let's give you a burger boot.